Hello, and welcome back to Creative Stuff. In this video, we are going to learn how to make an 12 output 12 pattern LED effect circuit using Arduino. Before going into the video, let's talk about the sponsor of our today's video. Sponsored by Utsource.net, where you can find your desired electronics components at very cheap prices. Utsource.net has all kind of electronics components, from resistors to modules. Everything can be found here. You can search components category-wise or just search it from the search bar. The website also provides the datasheets of the components, which is really helpful. Just add your desired components to the cart. Fill up your address and shipping method. You will get a free shipping on your first order. In addition to that, you will get a 10% discount too on your first order. And now, let's get back to the video. To make this project, we are going to need one breadboard, one Arduino Uno, 12 LEDs, 1200 ohm resistors, and some connecting wires. First, put the LEDs on the breadboard such that all the LED negatives are connected together and the LED positives are connected to 3 pins on the breadboard. Then, put the 100 ohm resistors on the breadboard such that one pin of the resistor gets connected to the LED positive and the second pin connects to 3 pin of the breadboard. The Arduino digital outputs will be connected to the free ends of the resistors. Here we are using a total of 12 LEDs. So we will be using Arduino pins 2 to 13 as outputs. Pin 2 gets connected to the resistor of the first LED, pin 3 to the second LED, and so on. Then the Arduino ground gets connected to the LED negative rail. And with that, our circuit is complete. Here is the full circuit diagram of the project. And now, let's take a look at the code. So first, we have assigned Arduino outputs that we have used, and then the number of LEDs. You can change this according to the number of LEDs you are using. Then, this part of the code is to display the patterns one after another. And then, the patterns. We have a total of 12 patterns here, excluding the all LED off and all LED on patterns. Then just select the board and port and upload the code to the Arduino. Now let's see the output. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Before leaving, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications of my future uploads. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.